Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to host your project over the GitHub platform. It's quite easy. I will show you everything step by step. So let's get started. So the first thing is very simple. Open your GitHub account and go to your repositories. In this example, I will host this project which is called Digital Watch JS. Open the project which you want to host, and after this here are some tips for you. Okay, these are the guidelines. Make sure you are following this. If you see all my files, there you can see there is a index.html, so make sure your project have index.html. And the second thing, don't try to host complicated websites over the GitHub. Only try to host the static websites, a simple websites. For example, if you have created some beautiful design and you want to show that design to other people over the internet, in that case I will suggest you can use this. But if you have created some complicated applications, in that case it's not going to work properly. Okay, make sure of these two things. Go to the setting option. Inside the setting there is a pages option, this one. Okay, click on the pages, and here you can see there is a source option. Pick the master branch, and then you can select the root / docs, whatever you want to choose. It basically depends upon what kind of structure you have. In my case, root will work fine because I don't have any folders. And then I will just save it, and by saying I don't have any kind of folder, it means I don't have any kind of folder in my code. If you see, there is a direct CSS HTML files, and then this is the URL which I got for my project. So I will just click on this, and here you can see it's running, it's working properly. So this is how you host your simple projects on GitHub. Just make sure of these two things which I have told you. Make sure your project is not complicated. The second, make sure you have index.html. If you don't have this file, then it's not going to work. Okay, and there are other ways also, but this is very simple way, so I thought I will just share this one. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please make sure do subscribe.